We've seen that South Africa's small business sector has faced intense pressure over the past few years, yet it still remains the backbone of job creation. So, from your vantage point, what's the current state of the SME funding demand, and where are you seeing the strongest appetite for finance?
So what we experience currently in the market for small to medium-sized business is that there's a big need for funding between 250 and a million rand, 250,000 to a million rand. Specifically for bridging finance, short-term finance, equipment finance, that kind of thing. So that's a big need in that specific industry at the moment. And I think specifically on the industries that looking for funding at the moment is more in the manufacturing industry as well as the hospitality industry. Either the more tourism guest houses, accommodation facilities, as well as restaurants. So that we see a big need for. But small businesses specifically need that quick cash that they can use for their working capital needs.